I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate because matching them prevents stretching and blur. Once done, make sure the GPU driver is current. Outdated drivers block correct resolutions. Now open Control Panel, choose Appearance and Personalization, then Display. This takes you directly to Windows 7 display controls. You should see a link to change display settings. Click it to begin adjusting resolution immediately, so you act on the proper, native parameters rather than guessing. You now select the monitor's native resolution from the resolution dropdown because that yields the sharpest, normal-sized display. After picking it, click Advanced Settings to confirm the adapter and monitor reporting the expected modes. This verifies Windows isn't forcing a lower size. If you still see odd scaling, open the GPU control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, to set scaling to display or maintain aspect ratio. Once those match, apply the change and watch the preview to ensure text and icons look natural. You finish by clicking Apply and keeping the change when the preview looks correct. This confirms Windows uses the new settings. Make sure to restart if prompted so drivers and the monitor handshake cleanly. If the screen becomes unusable, boot into safe mode, open display settings, and use Restore Defaults to recover. As a reliable troubleshooting tip, reinstall the GPU driver and test another cable or port. Many size issues come from driver mismatches or analog/digital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.